This is the sample made by this machine. It is mainly applied to healthcare. This is electromagnetic therapy piece which is applied by pasting on people's body. Side is the debonding surface, pink PET material. This side is the white PE foam rubber. And this silver part is aluminum foil for electric conduction. To open the sample from the front side, you could see that the aluminum foil is much smaller than the foam. The aluminum foil has glue on its surface, and it is imported, so the price is some expensive. The whole sample consists of 3 layers. The lowest white layer is the foam rubber. The middle one is the aluminum foil with glue covered, and the upper one is the pink PET released liner. Now let's learn the technical process. This is the number 1 feeding shaft, and the material on it is white foam rubber and coil type, and here it is. This product consists of a few pieces of different materials. So behind the product is the adhesive PET material, which is for stretching materials. To join the materials before number 1 feeding shaft and then for die cutting. Here we could see a waste part, and it is the ear part of the product which has been cut off. What we stated just now is the number 1 cutter, then to join by number 2 cutter to remove the released liner from the foam rubber. Here there is a bent material guide shaft with white release paper on it, which is for preventing adhesion. Next, to introduce the important part of our machine, asynchronous function. We can see that this knife is different from others. The tooth number is 79, while the former one and last one are both 100. It is cutting the material into pieces one by one. This is the reverse cutting process. Then to splice the materials at the position of hose scaler. Throw the aluminum foil onto the pink PET released line, and below there is a layer PE protective film remained. Pulled oppositely, and its direction is toward here, and it is pulled directly back to number 3 shaft via red rubber roller. After this lamination, to use the pink released liner to cover it. Now to make last cutting, to cut the outer outline. After this cutting, to remove the waste via red rubber roller. Finally, the product is finished. Here we could see the machine is running and all the materials are rotating. Only the material on this workstation is not, and it is intermittently. This is the asynchronous function. Let's see the workstation setting. These are 2 asynchronous switches and they are on now. Here is the turning direction setting, and it is set as reverse rotation. This is the tooth number for synchronous cutter and the number is 100 while the asynchronous one is 79. This is the coordination of the synchronous and asynchronous cutters.